Hello everyone, welcome back to VideoProc channel. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to create this torn paper effect. With VideoProc, you can easily achieve it. And if you're interested in this one, keep watching the video. Before making the video, first, we need to prepare the material for the paper. You can also download them through the link we share in the description box down below. Once finished, open VideoProc, import the materials you need and the paper material into the media library. Then, import the first video material into the video track and the paper material into the overlay track. Adjust the opacity in inspector on the right to around 0.5. Next, adjust its rotation angle and the size in the preview window to cover the characters in the video material. Drag the playhead to ensure the characters are within the paper mask range. Repeat adjustments until you get the right size. Then, adjust the opacity back to 1 and delete the material on the video track. Next, we'll click here to enter the settings interface. Find the background. Choose Custom and change the color to green. Click Done to return to the main interface. Now, create 2 new overlay tracks and use Copy and Paste to duplicate the paper material onto each new overlay track. Let's select the bottom paper material. Then click here to enter the color editor. Set the temperature to the lowest to make the paper orange. Then find HSL. Select the orange and adjust the hue value until the screen turns blue. Click Apply to return to the main interface. Next, click this button on the track to lock the laser. In the preview window, select the paper. Now, we select the second paper material. Drag it to the right a little bit to form a white edge. For better effects, you can adjust the image scale to make the edge more realistic. Similarly, click here to lock the laser. Select the third laser in the preview window. Enter the color editor. Adjust the temperature and exposure to the lowest. Then, in HSL, select orange and adjust the saturation and luminance to the lowest. The screen will turn black. Click Apply to return to the main interface. In the preview window, drag the laser to the right a little bit, and the paper will have a shadow. To make it softer, find Image Blurring and Smoothing, and adjust all values to the maximum. Now, our torn paper effect is complete. Click here to take a screenshot of the screen. Import the image back into VideoProc. Unlock and delete all materials on the timeline. And put the video material back into the video track. Put the image we just made into the overlay track. Use Ripple Edit to adjust the duration of the 2 materials to be the same. And fit to the screen. Find Chroma key. Click the box and use the eyedropper tool to pick the blue color in the scene. Check Enable and carefully adjust the values of tolerance and smoothness to keep the screen intact. Import it back into VideoProc. Activate other materials on the timeline. Import the second video material into the video track and import completed green screen material into the overlay track. Use Ripple Edit to adjust the duration of the 2 materials to be the same and fit to the screen. Use Chroma key to remove the green part in the screen. If the characters in the 2 materials are mutually obscured, you can click Horizontal Flip in Transform. Select the material on the overlay track. Click here to enter the motion editor. Add a left to right shift to the video. And change Smooth to Smooth a Speed Down 1. Click Apply to return to the main interface. Finally, add some sound effects and the wallpaper effect is complete. Well, that's it for today's video. If you want to know more about other tricks or what has been going on with VideoProc Vlogger, be sure to click that subscribe button to subscribe channel if you haven't yet. And we'll see you soon in our next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye!